Fun facts about cats. 1. Former US President Bill Clinton's cat socks became so popular that more letters were written to cats than to the president. 2. A cat's heart beats between 110 and 140 times per minute. 3. Just as human fingerprints are unique, cat nose prints are unique as well. 4. The world's oldest video is of a cat, which was filmed in 1894. 5. A cat's ability to smell anything is 14 to 15 times greater than that of a human. 6. Cats only perspire through their paws. 7. Cats do not move their heads while running, whereas dogs slightly shake their heads. 8. The cat licks her body to cleanse it. She does it every day. 9. The cat is the world's second most reared pet. 10. In China, 4 million cats are eaten each year. 11. Cats injure 86,000 people in the United States each year. 12. The urine of a cat glows in the dark. 13. Cats can run at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. She is so quick that she will beat Usain Bolt in the 200-meter dash. 14. Cats' mustaches express their mood. When she is scared, she pulls her mustache back, and when she is angry, she pulls her mustache forward. 15. Talkeetna, Alaska's Stubbs cat served as mayor for 16 years. As a result, most tourists came to meet this cat. 16. Felicette, the first cat to go into space, was from France. It was launched into space in 1963. 17. Italy's Blackie was the world's wealthiest cat. Her net worth was $13 million. This property was left to the cat by his deceased owner. 18. One such theater can be found in Moscow, Russia, in which all of the characters are felines. 19. Tinker Toy is the world's smallest cat name, who is 2.75 inches tall and 7.5 inches long. 20. Dogs show their happiness by shaking their tails. Cats, on the other hand, shake their tails in anger. 21. My Maine Stewart holds the record for the largest cat. Her total height was 48.5 inches. 22. Cats are the most sacred animals in Egypt. Egyptians used to shave their brows to mourn the death of their cat in ancient times. 23. Cats have the ability to jump 7 times the length of their tail. 24. A cat's DNA is 95% identical to a tiger's DNA. This means that the cat is related to the tiger. 25. The cat sleeps between 15 and 16 hours per day. As a result, the cat spends 70% of its life sleeping. Cats enjoy sleeping. 26. In India, it is considered unlucky to be cut down by a black cat. But people in Japan, Italy, and England regard black cats as lucky. 27. Cats can produce up to 100 different types of sounds. Dogs, on the other hand, can only make 10 different sounds. 28. We all know that seawater is extremely salty. Only the cat and mouse, however, can drink the sea's salty water. Only their kidneys are capable of filtering seawater. 29. Dusty, a cat, holds the record for having the most kittens. During her lifetime, she gave birth to 420 kittens. 30. The same man was the owner of the world's 2 longest living cats, in which one cat lived for the next 38 years and 34 years. A cat can live for 15 to 18 years on average. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.